Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April 18th, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction for bio-nanogenomics. You guys can see right here that this particular stock is giving some weakness. So we're going to see whether or not how low the market is going to go before we see the market prop itself up and we start seeing higher price movement, or if this market is going to continue to drop in price. So before we break all of that down, if today's your first time ever viewing our content, you guys are going to see that our content is invaluable. It is very valuable because we try to get in a position and capitalize on the price movement right before anyone else even understanding where the price is going to go. So now, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Also, you want to come right back to our channel continually because we continually give you all price predictions within the stock market. So make sure you follow us, come back, watch these videos so that you can continue to learn and that you can continually be in position to win in the market. All right. So let's take a look at BNGO real quick. First of all, we're going to start off looking at the market on a weekly time frame. You guys can see that we started last week on weakness, right? No doubt about it. This market is giving us nothing but weakness. Every other week, the market continues to drop in price. Okay. We are at now a very quick inflection point to where we can actually see some strength coming to the market in BNGO, or we're going to see the market continue to drop in price. Okay. Now, the longer you're in the market, whether it's from a weekly, 3 weeks time frame, monthly time frame, the market is definitely reflecting weakness. I know you may not want to hear that, but we're not here to be emotional traders. We're simply here to track where the price is going to go. And we all need to realize that the market is going to go higher. And at times it will drop in price. So be careful of anyone who is giving you all the roses and the balloons and the celebrations and telling you that the stock market always go higher and the market will go higher in price. Buy it now, buy it here, buy it today, buy it forever. Everything is always a buy with these YouTube channels. They never prepare you for when these market prices drop, because I guarantee you that there has been one YouTube channel at least that was pumping or telling you to come in and buy BNGO right here during this 3 week time period. Even on this 3 week time period, the last one, everyone continually has been creating content telling you to come in and buy and buy and buy. And even here, when the market was down to $10, down to $7, everyone was telling you that buy the dip, buy the dip. And every time you hear that buy the dip, the market continues to dip. That is the worst advice that you can ever get, because you don't know how low the market is going to go. You cannot continually to buy and buy and buy, and the market continues to drop and drop and drop, right? Always to lower your cost basis. No, how about you just stay out the market until you make that determination that we have finally bottomed, and then you could put that money to work. You don't buy the dip. You wait till the market stops dropping and then you come in and buy. So be careful. Be very careful about who you take your knowledge from, right? Be careful. So let's take a look at this real quick. I already told you that the weekly time frame, the 3 weeks time frame, the market in BNGO is giving us weakness. Right here, looking at the monthly time frame in BNGO, we still have weakness here. We still have a higher chance that the market in BNGO is going to drop in price. Now, I'm seeing some areas of support though. We have already established where the area of support can be in the market for BNGO. So I'm going to show it to you on the monthly time frame. Okay, right here, around $4, $5, give or take, is where we're looking for the market in BNGO to at least try to prop itself up. There's no guarantee. The only way that we'll know that that is absolutely the bottom is if we see increase in volume. That's the only way. And the market comes in on strength. We see a strength bar on high volume would definitely let us know that the institution stepped in and they found that price to be attractive. As of right now, this is in free fall. So now We can see it come from $4.75 to $5. The next area would be all the way down here to $3 or $4 right there. So now that is what a drop of about from the way the close was on Friday to $3.90, 31.5% drop. Still, that is still left in the tank that this stock can drop in price. The potential to see BNGO drop 31% is still there in the long term. It doesn't mean that we're not going to have bouts of the price going higher in price. That's definitely on the table. So depending on if you're a long-term holder in BNGO and you're trying to figure out when will be a perfect opportunity to come to the market, 31.5% is still being reflected on this chart, or even 12.5%. Those are the two areas that we're looking at. 12.5% versus 32%. Okay. So let's take a look at the market on a daily time frame real quick, because long term, the market in BNGO is still giving us weakness. So we're here on the daily time frame. This is where the market consolidated for a couple of days. We saw the market trade sideways. I would be expecting the same thing to occur in BNGO initially. Now, the bigger time frame of restriction now is right there around $7. Okay, or like $7.20. So when we do our price prediction, that is the place to where we're going to hold that restriction area at. Okay. So we said $7.20, give or take, which is about 28% market moving higher in price, right? Now, we broke support. Okay. We broke that support area in the market in BNGO right here on April the 13th. If we saw the market hold that particular location as support, then yeah, the market would be expected to go higher, but we continue to move lower and lower in price. We're trying to find the next area of support in BNGO, and that area is going to be right there around $5, right? It's going to try to hold the market around $5 on the daily time frame. And for us, we're going to bring it all the way down here to around $4.25 for the long term. Okay, this is what we're going to expect the market in the BNGO to do. First area that we're going to come in and TP out the market is going to be around $5, which gives us about what, 9, almost 11% profitability in or around $5. I'm not telling you exactly $5, but around that price vicinity is where the market is going to try to hold support. Now, looking at this in the long term, all the way back down here to $4. Okay, so this is it. Like I'm telling you that we're not here to be emotional traders. We're here to be predictors, to predict where prices are going to go, all without placing no emotions into it. We got to realize that if you're into this market, everything cannot go continually up. And we're going to be real with you. The market doesn't care about how we feel. It is going to go the way it wants to go. So either you're going to get on the bandwagon and follow along right alongside with it, or you will be slaughtered, or you will be taken out the way. You will continue to lose because of your emotions, because many YouTubers are telling you that these stocks will always go up and they will always be a buy. We're not here for all of that. We're going to give you the price prediction unbiasedly, whether it's going to go higher or lower. You might not want to hear it, but it is what it is. So now it is your turn. Tell me, where do you all expect the market in BNGO to go over the next 3 weeks? Where will price be at in 3 weeks? Because you need to make sure you are in position to win in the market among everyone else. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.